Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a trip around the world, or just to finally afford those designer socks you've had your eye on, you'll learn how to make saving a priority and to turn your financial dreams into a reality in the next few minutes. So if you're ready to get serious about saving and want to be able to finally afford that shiny new car or avocado toast, let's be real, then keep watching. Your bank account and taste buds will thank you for it. So sit back, grab your piggy bank, and let's get saving. If you want to start saving more money, it's crucial that you adopt a positive, proactive mindset that's focused on the future. This means believing in yourself and your ability to make smart financial decisions and being willing to take the steps necessary to achieve your financial goals. It also means being open to learning and growing and being willing to embrace new ideas and approaches as you work to improve your financial situation. With the right mindset, you can overcome any challenges that come your way and start building the financial future that you deserve. And with that said, I believe the first change you can make is to start thinking about future costs. Have you ever stopped to think about the true cost of buying something? No, not the price tag you see in the store, but the opportunity cost of what that money could have been used for instead. Let's say you're eyeing that shiny new TV for $500. Sure, it seems like a good deal at the time, but have you ever considered the fact that you could have invested that money and turned it into a small fortune over time? Imagine earning a measly 8% return on the investment each year. In just 20 short years, that $500 can turn into a whopping $1,600. That means the actual cost of that TV is in fact $1,600 in the long run. But don't worry, there's no need to break out your calculator and start crunching numbers every time you want to make a purchase. Just remember to think about the future cost and whether it's worth it in the long run. Next, consider picking up a side hustle or some freelance work to make some extra cash on the side. Think about it. You could be making extra cash while watching Netflix, while sleeping, or just sitting on the toilet. And the best part is, you get to choose how much time and effort you put into that side hustle. Whether it's selling handmade crafts on Etsy, dog walking for the neighborhood pubs, or even taking on freelance work, the possibilities are endless. Plus, with the side hustle, you'll be able to pad your savings account and finally afford those things you've always wanted to, but never thought you could afford. And who knows, maybe one day you'll even be able to quit your full-time job and turn your side hustle into a full-time gig. So don't wait any longer. Start a side hustle and watch your savings grow. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Another tip is to start automating your savings and investments. My recommendation is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account so that you can start saving money without even thinking about it. Saving and investing for your future doesn't have to be a hassle. In fact, you can automate the whole process to make it even easier. One way to do this is by investing in low-cost index funds. An index fund is a type of investment that tracks a specific market index such as the S&P 500 or the 500 largest companies in the US. They offer a simple and cost-effective way to invest as they are diversified and typically offer low fees compared to other investments. By setting up automatic investments into a low-cost index fund, you can take the guesswork out of saving and investing and make your money work for you. Not only will this build wealth over time, but it will also give you the peace of mind that your financial future is on track. Finally, don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether it's your rent or your cell phone plan, you might be able to get a better deal by negotiating. It never hurts to ask, and you can potentially save hundreds to thousands of dollars every year. Remember, many things in life are negotiable, such as salaries, your rent, or the cost of that product or service. So next time you're making a purchase or negotiating a better deal, don't be afraid to speak up and ask for a better price. It could potentially lead to big savings for you. Remember, saving is all about mindset, discipline, and planning. By setting clear financial goals, finding ways to increase your income, and cutting back on expenses wherever you can start saving money and reaching your financial goals much faster than you think. But don't just take my word for it. Give these strategies a try and see for yourself how they can help you save $10,000 in record time. And don't forget, saving money is a journey. It won't happen overnight, but with a little bit of effort and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So go ahead and start saving money today because your future self and bank account will thank you for it. And I will thank you if you hit that like button if you appreciate this information. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.